Hi, my name's Todd Williams. I live in Alpharetta, Georgia. I recently hired Wall Pros to replace a failing retaining wall that I had in my backyard. I had an old pressure-treated timber retaining wall that was old, but also had some water damage and multiple issues that were compromising a pool deck and my pool here in my backyard. And interviewed a lot of contractors, probably close to 10 contractors over a period of months, and kept coming back to Wall Pros. Ultimately hired them. I've been very happy with the work, and the main reasons I hired them were their knowledge of the project, bringing in the appropriate engineers to really get into the technical aspect of designing the wall and building the wall. The second reason was really their willingness to answer all my questions. Very responsive in answering every question that I had, from the most minor questions to the most complex. And third was the experience that they had in working with the city to get all the permits and everything organized with the city and what they required. So just wrapped up the project. I'm very happy with the end results of the wall. It looks great. Very complex project in that we had very limited access of getting equipment and materials in my backyard. They did a great job of staging it and communicating with me, getting everything to the backyard, and the end result has been great. Very, very happy with the way it turned out. And I would recommend, if anyone is looking to replace a retaining wall or build a new retaining wall, I would highly recommend Wall Pros.